Good morning! So bali ngayon, third day ko dito sa Thailand. Nasa Bangkok ako, sa Silom area ngayon. Lilipat ako ng Pattaya for the tour doon. Pero ang pupuntahan ko lang doon is yung sanctuary, Elephant Sanctuary at saka yung Sanctuary of Truth. So ngayon, papunta na ako ng Eka Mai dahil doon ako sasakay ng bus papuntang Pattaya North Bus Terminal. Tapos doon i-figure out ko kung paano makapunta ng Sanctuary of Truth. Actually madali lang, i-google nyo lang, Google Maps lang ang paraan. So hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo yung paano ko, kasi napakita ko na naman sa video ko previously yung sumakay ng mga train ganito, tapos yung token, di ba? So ganun lang. Dalawang lipat ako ng train, isang Sukhumvit line, basta dalawang train yung sasakyan ko ngayon papunta dun sa station ng bus. So yan, dito na ako sa train sa Ladaeng. So see you later na lang dun sa mismong bus terminal para makita nyo yung itsura doon. Bye. So guys, hindi pala palaging token yung minsan meron din ganitong ticket, yung tinatap. So depende sa company. So itong train station, train na to, is ang gamit is itong beep card. So meron na bibiling reloadable, meron din yung itong one time usage lang. So ayun, nandito na ako, naghihintay ng train. So see you na lang doon sa bus station ulit. Bye. Dito na tayo sa Eka Mai bus station. Ayan, pagbaba mo lang ng train station ng MRT, dito na agad. So may nabook ko yung ticket ko sa sa 12 Go Asia kasi ubos na sa Klook. So dito tayo sa 12 Go Asia, 279 ko siya ang bayad sa internet. Pero pag nakita ko 4.29 pound siya. Ito, pag nag-reflect siya sa credit card ko, parang 300 plus din. So ngayon, papakita na lang natin yung ticket na binili natin, confirmation na sa booth number 28, Ruong 26. Ayun, ito lang pala sa bungad. Sa van. Sa Klook kasi shared van yung yung sakayan. This one. Sa pinakaunang book siya, bali bus. Suman natin ticket natin. Bye. Okay guys, nandito ako sa likod. Since na-claim ko na yung ticket ko, maghihintay na ako ng bus. Bus departure is 9 AM. So ayan, nakita ko Eka Mai Pattaya. So 8:20 pa lang to, mamaya pa tayong 9 AM. So napansin ko, nagtanong-tanong ako doon kanina sa loob, yung mga ticket center doon, yung ticket area, maraming mga booth. So mas mura kapag direct kang bibili dito kaysa sa online. So 160 baht lang, so roughly mga 200 to 250 ganyan ang bayad. 100 kasi doon 160, 170, 180 baht. So may pinakamura 160. So yun, nasa lang siya, mga around 200 pesos. Pero yun sa akin kasi, ang lumabas nung nagbayad ako sa 12 Go Asia is 4.29 baht. So roughly mga around 400, parang gano'n. Basta search na lang, mga 300 plus. Naman sa Klook, it's 388 pesos. So mas okay kapag direct kayong pumunta dito. Basta morning mas maganda. Meron din silang mga hapon. Pero huwag niyong gagawin na pag pumunta dito ng ng busy season. So kung mga holidays, mas magandang mag-book na lang online. Siguro yun ang nakikita ko. Pero kung nagtitipid kayo, diretso na lang kayo dito na kayo bumili. At kung wala naman kayong cash na masyado, mag-book kayo online. Kasi syempre, credit card ang gamit dun eh. So ngayon hintay na tayo ng ng oras natin. 8:10 pa lang. So I still have 50 minutes to chill dito kasi sobrang init dito. So bye. 9 o'clock pa yung biyahe ko, kaso medyo may vacant seat. So pinasakay na ako ni ate girl. So ayun, pinalitan yung ticket ko ng pang 8:20 AM. So ngayon mapapaaga tayo ng dating sa Pattaya. Instead na 11:30 ang dating natin doon. So mag-a-adjust ng around 8 AM. Ay, parang 11:30 basta mga 11 AM siguro ganun. 10:30 to 11 AM dating natin doon. So yun, see ya. Guys, dito na kami sa bus terminal sa Pattaya. Bumaba na kami. And ngayon, mag-iisip ako ng next step kung paano pumunta ng Sanctuary of Truth. So see ya, bye. So we're here at Pattaya North Bus Station. So na-figure out ko na kung paano ako pupunta ng Sanctuary of Truth. Hindi ko na-figure out. Tinulungan ako nila.
Hello po! Shoutout sa
my new friend. Kasi ginagamit niya tong Bolt. Parang angkas. So maka-angkas din ako. So yan, nagda-download na ako. Tapos mag-book ako papuntang Sanctuary of Truth. Bye! Yeah. Thank you! So guys, nandito na tayo sa Sanctuary of Truth. Bali, mura lang yung Bolt o yung pinakaangkas nila dito, 40 baht mula dun sa Pattaya North Bus Station. So nagbook na ako nito sa Klook. It's yung ticket 620 and siya, use my promo code Leon Guerrero 5 off. At ipapakita ko na lang yung QR code dun sa pinaka-entrance. Ganito yung itsura sa labas. Ay, ito pala, mga online booking. Dito pala tayo, sa right side ng gate. So, yan. So, yung mga cash and walk-in doon sa left side. Tapos dito sa right side yung mga online booking. So, dito tayo. Hi. This one also for Klook.
Excuse me, where are you from?
From the Philippines.
Philippines.
Miss Universe.
Thank you.
Kapan ka? So ayan, meron na nakaganito din pala. So bali, ayan, it's ang open is 8:10 AM to 8:30 PM. Tama. So may ticket na tayo. I-claim lang natin. Tapos ayan yung entrance.
ใช่ประมาณนั้น
So ayan, mayroong mga kabayo. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa doon. So guys, ayan, dito na yung entrance. May restaurant saka Muslim prayer room. Tapos doon may mini zoo. May mini zoo. Tapos yung mga kabayo kanina, kung nakita nyo, di ba pinakita ko sa inyo, ano siya, papakainin nyo siya ng carrots. Yeah. Tapos ano siya, may bayad, parang 40 pa. Ayan, dito na tayo sa entrance. Sabi pala siya ng dagat. God, ang laki. Ang laki niya. Ang laki ng
Contemporary architecture, namely Century of Truth Museum.
So usually, ayan.
Hello everyone, I hope you are all well today.
Dito kayo muna
Welcome to the Century
kasi
of Truth
i-orient kayo,
Museum,
tapos sabay-sabay na
where we
kayong
discover
bababa.
world peace through the arts. Before anything else, I would like to thank everyone for choosing Sanctuary of Truth Museum as your sightseeing destination. Before we take you to the museum, I would like to give you brief information about the
Puro
place.
kahoy. Oh.
We are now standing at a
best.
beautiful viewpoint
Ganda.
that reflects the concept and idea.
Ayun na naka-schedule na grupo-grupo.
And this bench is before you go
So,
down.
sakto lang. 11:20. And yung English. Sakto 11:20 na. Sa pila tayo. Kanila ka pa.
Kailangan mo ko.
Tawag na ako. Kailangan pala ng ganito. Thank you.
Yeah, you can go straight.
May bawal mag-drone. May orientation ulit.
This is our cutting department area. Here you will get to witness how the wood pieces are created piece by piece as we form here in the Okay. So everyone, this is our cutting department area. Here you will get to witness how the music is created piece by piece. And of course you expect here, most of the times it's very dusty and piece by piece. Right now, they're currently working on for the ceiling over that area. This one over here are for the windows and walls and columns.
Continuous ang paggawa nila. Saka yung maintenance nila, continuous. So, curve lang ng curve. Tapos, lagay-lagay kung saan-saan.
Right over here. And then you cut it and print it to the next pieces that was formed at the first station. Those are very eager and excited already to take photos and videos. You will have that later on. To be honest, you'll be able to appreciate more the beauty of the Sanctuary of Truth if he happens to know some information to as well regarding with the artworks and the structure. Explore inside, for sure you will get to see and expect some nails of some parts and artworks. This is because those parts are not finished yet. So the concrete nails that you're going to see inside are only used to temporarily fix it. But once it can hold on its own, we are going to remove all those nails and replace it with our very own wooden wedge and pin here. So essentially this is what we use as nails, and we call this one as wooden nails too as well. We mainly use this one for the floors, sculptures, and the roof, like this one over here. It's done through this. For the balconies and the windows, this is the wooden joint technique that we use, and if you notice, no nails too as well. And what we do is we interlock the male, female joint as one, and this is already the result of the balcony. Of course, next process will be carving and decoration, just like those balconies and windows behind you. Those are the final touch. And for the walls, we use the butterfly joint, this one here, just to attach the two pieces of wood and glue to stick on it. If you want to add more, we are going to use the long dovetail, this one here. What we do, we just keep on adding more and more and more to make a big block of wall. And at the back are the carving or the decorations over here. And everyone, the knowledge came from ancient Thai workers called pasayam, which is passed into generation to generation. So this day, we're still using the techniques. Later on,
na paano hindi ginagamitan ng pako. Kailangan lang ng yung mga right curving.
This is the Sanctuary of Truth, and we start building it on 1981. Till this day, we're still building and constructing it. It's not yet finished nor done. You can notice over here on the structure, it has different colors. So the dark brown color, those are the new artworks. The old-looking gray color over there, especially on the roof, are the old one. And this is due to the sun, rain, and sea salt, because we are just right next to the sea. So, oxidation.
entrance, guys.
Alright, that's one. So, everyone over here,
Ano yung manual?
our museum, our elevator, which is used to lift the physically handicapped people, elderly,
Ah,
and
so
such
PWD, ano siya, friendly, oh.
If you look up on the roof, that big four faces is the Cambodian art. If you've
Wow.
ever been in Angkor Wat,
Ganda.
you've seen this too as well.
So we are now entering the Sanctuary of Truth. So this is not a temple. It's a contemporary art.
Yeah, you can go further over there, to the side. Okay, you can go inside first, over there.
Wow, kakami
You
siya.
can go inside first, you can go inside, yes, please go inside.
May God of Water. God of Earth.
And once we're done, you can go walk on your
Ang
own,
galing niya,
take
pinagsa.
photos and videos, and still stay here until 6 p.m. in the evening, but not 6 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. I don't want to lose my job. Alright? Only tonight. However, right now, the first part actually shows us all that step, and you notice it's like a blank canvas, and then, of course, that's what our wooden arts are currently working on, the carving and the decorations. Once it is done, final result and final touch, it will be this one over here. Okay, so basically, first step, second, and the result over there. And of course, second truth is over here. There's still a lot of wood pieces over here that you can notice in some parts of the museum if you actually explore it later on. For the meantime, so it means over here, second concept of how do we survive. So our life cycle from we born to we die, the life will depend on the nature. Without nature, we cannot live and survive in this planet despite of our diverse background. Even if we're
Dito sa part na to, masarap. Mahangin kasi. So, ayan. Maganda, dapat talagang sumabay kayo sa schedules ng tour nila. Kasi dun sa ano, mas maiintindihan nyo itong lugar na to, itong Sanctuary of Truth. Makikita mo yung sea, oh. Sa dito ang hangin. Tapos Pinoy yung English tour guide. It's free, ah. Baka akalain nyo may bayad. So, free siya.
Okay, so everyone over here. Okay, so everyone over here, please. So right now, we are already on the third part of our journey. This is what we call the center hall or the great pavilion. So this is where the Buddha's relics are placed, like steep individuals full of good things in this world. And even though they left already for hundreds of years ago, their goodness can still impact each one of us nowadays. But of course, the fourth truth is all connected to the third truth over there. Because once we'll recognize that we cannot escape death, therefore, how our life must proceed or how it must continue. The same thing with karma. What is karma? Anyone who knows what is karma, please
Treat
don't tell me
others
karma is a bee.
what you want others
karma is?
treats you.
What goes around
Ay, mali.
comes around. Whatever good or bad actions we create in this world, it will come back to us in full measure. It might not be today nor tomorrow, but in the future,
And
it
also,
will bite
what
us
is
back.
karma?
That's the essence of karma
What
over there.
comes around
And of course,
goes
everyone, if
around.
you're wondering if the golden rule is to become rich and be richer, it's not me. It's not also Confucius.
Confucius.
It is Elon, the Thai currency, the Thai baht. 1,000 baht bill or 500 baht bill, you see him there too as well. And of course, he's together with his son, which is King Rama X already, the reigning king right now. King Rama IX over here is one of the greatest inspiration of the founder and even for the people in this country because he sacrificed all his life to improve the living condition of his people and initiated over 4,000 Royal Development Project to give a quality of life for his people in this country, like development and communication, education, surrounding ourselves with good and positive people only. It actually represents a group
Kaya,
of people
marami
who
kayong
are
matututunan
aware
kapag
of
sumama kayo
themselves,
dito.
actively doing things
Sa,
on their own.
kapag sumabay
However,
kayo
you
sa
never be alone at
tour
all
guide.
because they get the love, the support, and the respect from the people around them. That's why always surround yourself with people who empower you to become a better person. People who always brings out the best in you. And by the
that's
way, right
nice.
now, let's recognize what is the last part is all about, because it is what you have right now. You can see it right now here. What do you think is the last part represents? What's the 7th truth of life is all about? The sculpture over there in the middle. It starts with letter F, ends with letter Y, 6 letters. The last part is all about your family, because your family is the beginning of the society. Without your family, society will not be there. And of course, in every family that we have our brothers, sisters, siblings, and of course, our parents, our mother and our father, the beginning of human life. With our
So, yun,
parents,
tapos na
they're the
yung,
symbol of people who give us birth,
tour
care
niya.
us, for
Kanya-kanya
education,
na.
for friends, food, mutual love,
Kanya-kanyang
care, and everything.
tour na sa sarili at
Remember this,
mag-picture-picture.
if it's not with our parents right now,
Guys, bumalik ako dito sa entrance kasi tapos na yung tour na nag-explain na siya, maganda. So mas maganda talaga. Hindi ko na binuo kasi mas maganda na i-experience nyo siya ng sarili nyo. So punta lang kayo dito. Ito is nasa entrance ako, tapos na. So kanya-kanya ng puntahan ng lugar sa kung saan sang part dito, tapos mag picture na. So ayun, yun ang gagawin ko. So bye. Pinakita ko muna sa inyo yung buo na walang tao. Okay guys, tapos na ako mag pictorial at mag video dito sa Sanctuary of Truth. I think that's enough. And ngayon kakain muna ako or pupunta ng hostel ko. Magche-check-in pa lang ako eh. So mag 1:30 na, 2 PM yung check-in ko. So see you later. Bye. Ayan, pagbaba mo pala dito may elephant doon. Pwede ka mag-picture. Tapos may kainan, may snacks area. Pero ako ay magbubook na ako ng, napag-desisyon ako magbook na ng Bolt ko, yung angkas papunta dun sa hostel ko. It's like 35 minutes lang sa dito at makapag-settle. Tapos mag-isip ako ng trip ko mamaya. Bye. So guys, nag-book na ako ng angkas o Bolt. It's 108 baht. Ayan, basta malayo kasi. 108 baht, around 150 pesos. So see you later. So guys, nandito na ako sa Jomtien Beach, sa may tapat ng hostel ko. Ayan siya. Tapos tabi ng Scandia. Tara, pasok tayo dito.